Hello guys, welcome. You're watching Technology Welfare. Let's see in this video tutorial how to trim, how to split, how to edit according to your own customization any videos guys. For example, let's see I will trim one video for 1 minute from one movies. So how you will trim, how you will split, let's see in this video tutorial. So for it guys, I will open here Sony Vegas Pro. This is audio as well as video production software. So I will open here. Now I will go for in a file and just I will import any movie. So let's see, just I will take one movie show. Let's see this movie I have taken. Now see guys, here just I will select from here and I will leave here. Now simply here see, suppose let's see from here, suppose from here to here just I would like to have the clip. So see, this one I would like to remove. So what I will do here guys, simply I will, this is a cursor here, just I will go for click here. So here this is a trimming options and see here red color from this side, this will be wiped out, this will be removed. So this section will be removed and this section will remain. So fine, now see guys, it's gone. Now see guys, here suppose from here to here this clip I would like to have. So just I will come simply, otherwise I will click here. Now I will click on this trim options. Why it is so guys, because here see red color, so this portion will be removed. So this portion from here to here will be removed. But see guys, if you would like to, suppose here you would like to split in two part from here to here, so simply you have to click here. Now see it's a two part guys. If you would like to three parts, just you can split. So according to your own customizations, any clip you can select. Suppose if you have recorded one video and that you would like to split here, if you would like to trim, of course you can according to your own requirement guys. So see here this part, suppose I would like to, this one I would like to wipe out. So what I will do, just I will click here, gone. Now this one, suppose here, see guys, I would like to combine, so that we can combine here. But this one I would like to delete, I would like to remove. So if you would like to delete, if you would like to remove it directly from here, this clip, so of course you can here click, this is a delete options. Similarly this one, if you would like to delete, of course we will click here. So guys see, these four options is for your trimming and delete. Suppose here this one I would like to, from once again I would like to show you guys, from here to here this clip I would like to have. So what I will do, just I will click on here. So this side gone, now this clip and this clip and these clips, these videos, just I would like to combine. So just I will here. Now see guys, I can combine here in the both in one. Suppose here this one I would like to remove, so we can remove by clicking here. Now see guys, here this one I would like to, in the midst of the part, this one I would like to remove, and from this one and from this one. So Just I will go for firstly zoom. Fine. I will zoom here. Now, see guys, what I will do, just this click and this, from here to here, I would like to remove. So, how I will remove? Just I will click here and I will first of all trim by clicking on these options, and also I will click here and just I will click here. Now this one I will select and I will go for delete. So now see this gone now guys. Now I will combine it so it's gone. Suppose guys here this one, see, I would like to here this one I would like to from here remove. So just I will click here. Now these ones I would like to produce this clip only. So here, see guys, these all are options for trimming, but if you would like to crop this video, so see guys, this and these ones you would like to have the full screen, this videos, so how you will go for? So just you have to go for, this is for cropping options, so just I will click here and here what I will do guys, just I will now see, just I will now just I will go for cut from here. So now I will go for render it. Still this video is a very lengthy because of I have trimmed from movie this clip, so it's a long one. So just I will remove from this part also from here. Now see guys, in this one I would like to produce. So how I will produce this ones? So just I will go for file. Before going to file guys, just I will click here. I will select all. Now it has been highlighted guys. Now I can go for produce. So just simply I will go for file to render as. In a render as, after coming here, what I will do, I will select this video format, according to your own customizations, in what format you would like to render it, you would like to produce it. So of course it should be MP4, so I have selected here MP4. Now see, template just you have to select here, so just I will go for this one's 720p 25 fps, so just this one I will select. Now here I can write name of this clip, so and here this file will be saved. So on a browser we can, wherever you would like to save, yes we can select. So this one I will save in simply on desktop. Now I will go for save it guys. So let's see what will happen guys. Now I have to click once time on a render. Now let's see what will happen guys. Now see guys, it has started to trim simultaneously, of course split and cropped also. So let's see, I will wait till the completions. This software especially has been developed for production of audio simultaneously videos. So trimming, splittings, croppings, any videos according to your own customization, from any movies, from any clips, from any videos, of course you can. So now see guys, we can minimize from here. Now see, it's a producing. After finishing guys, just after completions, it will take a time scarcely because this will give you good quality in SD show. This is a way, of course you can trim, you can split, you can crop any video according to your own crystallization guys. So this is all about in this video tutorial guys. If this video has acknowledged you in any way in a digital technology field, then please subscribe to my channels and you can leave the query if you have any query below the comment box. So this is all about in this video tutorial guys. How do you like this video tutorial? Please leave the comment below the comment box. Thank you very much. Have a great time.